Hi everybody. Now we're here at Tsukumo cabin. We spent a night for this July for holiday. So you can see the road, the little road going up the mountain, and you can see the view of the mountain. And here's on top of the mountain, and you can see all this wood here on top of the mountain, and along here we got that little road and go up to the other cabins on higher level. So you can see on the left hand side here, um, we have the parking lot here of get full course, and here the cabin, and three level, three story. So the 2640 in address. The level here, see, is not level, but they try to build it to be naturally like the natures, especially I'm talking about natures. um, we got a patio and we got rocking chair along on like the second floor and the first floor. And right now the guy trying to take more photos, some pictures, and see so much enjoy everybody here. The kind of group we got here, and we can view it from the top of the patio to straight to the mountain. It's a lot of mountains around here, and you can see here. Um, they surrounded by the mountain, so they're beautiful view, and we can hear all kinds of the birds chirping and sound of nature. That's the real nature. So it's not so bad. It's spent just one night here with so quiet everything, and we ready to pack up and go now. But we got a little time, and I take some video to share with you guys here, and uh, here some little insect, and we got the stove out here. I mean, like, see the grill. We got two grill here, and here is Tsukumo cabin at Tennessee. Last night we spent to the other town that have the floating bridge, the swing bridge. They had two pieces of glasses. Seems like this thing is scary, but it's not much scary. So beautiful. We got good experience last night, and to ride a swing bucket too. We go up to the top of the mountain. And you can see all this beautiful wood, and this the entrance to go in the cabin. You can see all kind of beautiful. We ready to pack up and go.
Sure.
Here,
Yes, that's my pillow.
Excuse me.
see.
Oh, I need my bag.
This
I need
kid,
cheese.
this kid ready to
Oh,
go.
you need your-
Okay. Everybody just get busy this morning. We pack up and we go. Let's go see the view outside a little bit. See, here, seeing it clear now, and so beautiful, guy. And we got a rocking chair here. You can sit and enjoy it, and with the early morning coffee, some. And we got around the patio here too. A little shade here. It's beautiful. And as you can see all these tall trees. Yeah, this building almost past the tree. It's really tall, and you can view from here. See how beautiful it is, and you have time you spend some time so you like it closer to nature, and you can view the higher point here from this level. I mean, this the third level, and you can see the bee here on top of it here. Beautiful. You can see nature here. Yeah. And you can see by this video here, surrounded by the mountain, and that you can see from the distance, like two houses have been building, right now. It started, and you can see some few houses around here, this mountain. And the house here is our neighbor. So you can see from the second floor, I mean the third floor, really high, okay? And a little walkway, I think that like the waterways go down there, but we never had time to go down there. And here's all kinds of view. You can see from here. Okay, here the cabin from the outside. It's beautiful. They all made from wood, no cutting, and all original wood. Here's some rocking chair here. Uh, let's go. Okay, let's go for the first floor. Okay, here, kind of noisy, but it's all right. Everybody start the cleaning. After we clean, we're going to leave. Here for the first floor is for the kids playing some game. The kids really love it, and they play the pool all night, guys. Yeah. All day, all night. Yeah, they still playing here.
What?
Turn a little light, you can see better. Here. Kids will pack up and go now. This kid is still playing some game here. This is free. Alright, everything here. We spent a night here. We got a beautiful bunk bed. Got a top and bottom. Beautiful bunk bed here. And we got the bathroom. Each room got their own bathroom and television, and got their own internet too. How beautiful it is. So we got a little couch here, one couch, and right here the really big room and big bed here. And they got their own television, a little bigger, and got their own Wi-Fi too. You can view from here. Oh, I feel good already here. It's beautiful. The wood. Yeah, feels good. Here, the bed is built from the whole wood here. Look at that. They didn't cut it anything, but they just clean the skin. And You can build one, right? And here, two. See all the wood they build. Got a little cluster right here. Beautiful, huh? Alright, we'll see you guys on the next video. So before I leave, please help to subscribe and support. You can receive the new video. You click the bell. Alright, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye now.